Tell him, Han.
Up, down.
Tell him. I love you, babe.
Love you so much, you kiss your own hand. I get it.
My native land. Kausap ko naman yung papa ko about sa kidney. Kasi guys, update sa papa ko, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Huwag niyo akong pagtawanan. Alam ko talaga ngumiti. Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. Look what happened to me, guys. Do you know? Guys, sinira ko yung buhok ko, guys. Talaga, guys. As in, guys. Alam, tignan nyo naman yun, guys. Pinaglaruan ko yung buhok ko kanina. So, ngayon, hindi ko na lalo siyang ginalaw. Pabayaan ko na siya. So, do you know? Tawagan ko lang si Tommy, guys. Okay? Kung ano yung reaction niya, guys.
Shower.
Look at my face. I ruined my hair. So ngayon guys, nagpa-appointment ako sa nakilala kong Pinay dito na magaling mag-haircut. Yun. And buntahan natin siya bukas kasi hindi ko nakatayag. Hindi ko na talaga hindi ko na maano yung Iwan ko. Good morning. Naligo ako, guys. Kasi po, bukas maaga po tayo yung appointment natin. Meron tayong appointment sa anuhan ng buhok. Doon sa bahay lang naman nila. So, naligo ako kasi bukas hindi na ako maligo. Para dire-diretso na ako. Hi, guys. So, yun yung bangs ko. Yung mga sa gilid-gilid, inano ko lang siya sa Ang pangit naman. Ganunin na lang natin kasi ang pangit. O, diba? How do you not? How do you not? Somebody's home. Ho, tignan mo, Han. Look at your son, Han. Tell him, Han.
Up, down.
Tell him.
Down. Come on, down, down. Down.
He said up,
Hey.
up. He said up. He said up, up. He doesn't understand that, Han. He knows that he's the special one. Say hi, baby. Uy, pagka-cute. Just afam na. Da. So, what do you think of my Dora the Explorer here? He looks fine though, guys. Ina-iron ko, guys, kasi nahihiya ako kasi kanina kasi parang hala. What happening to the cloud? Why become dark? I iron my hair a little bit para hindi naman siya
So you do what I did. So mine?
Yeah.
Wrap a foil. It's still like fresh. Yes,
Really?
Yeah.
He is home. So, we have a Dora the Explorer here. Okay naman yung buhok kapag ma-iron, ganun. And then, ang ipaayos ko lang sa kanya bukas is yung sa gilid. Gusto kong pag ganun siya ba? Slash, and then slash. And then, naputol na kasi yung dito na side. Oh, look. Naputol na dito. Look, kita ninyo, nag-slash na dito. Kasi ini-slash ko. Pero, ang kinatatakutan ko kasi, hindi ako marunong So, yun. So, okay naman siya, I think. Inuto lang ako. For dinner, this is gonna be our dinner. Lutuan ko lang si Mr. kasi nakauwi na siya, diba? So, mayroon siyang kakainin pagdating pag mayang-mayang hapon, mamayang dinner. So, ang lutuin ko is broccoli. Yan, broccoli. 2 broccoli. Han, do you want salad for tonight? I bought yesterday. Actually, this is from the dumpster diving we did. Han, you don't believe me? No? Tingnan nyo, this is what Tommy all the time does, guys. Every time he get home, he spend more time with his boy than with me. Look, yan silang dalawa. Yun, that's why Hubs is just spoiled. And Dimples is missing.
Oh man, no more.
I really wanna arrange this office of Tommy. Put a nice couch, arrange the...
Sorry, Rob, it's too late. It's too late. He finished it already. He's faster than you. All right, down. Oh.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my
No! 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 Rock bed girl? No! Come over here. I will... come here. Come. Come on. Come.
Good girl.
Guys, look at this.
Tell me, Charlie.
50.
43.
43. Guys, the tree, guys, is so pretty. Roxy, do you wanna go under the tree? I can take picture of you.
She went under there with you, but you ignored her.
Go ahead, go. Go over there in the tree. Go under the tree. You go. You go.
Oh, a squirrel. There's a squirrel out of the tree.
Hala, hala, it's over there. Roxy, Liam is out there. Roxy, Roxy, look. Liam is out there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ang ganda kasi ng kahoy. Ay, look, oh. Look, ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda-ganda ng kahoy. It's pretty, right, Han? Han?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Ito yung nagpa-picture sa maple tree na naka-robe talaga. O, diba? Naka-robe talaga. I forgot to get ay, nakalimutan ko na namang bumili. Wala na. Isa na lang pala yung onion dito. Isa na lang. Kailangan kong bumili ng onion. Ito na lang. I need to buy more onion. Hi, my love. Do you think I'm cute, Dura? What? Yeah, you don't even see it. Yes, yeah.
Funny, you don't want to complain about it. I don't understand why. But...
I just need a side fixed. This one side here. Look, did you see that? Did you see that thing? I did that, but look over here. It's not right. I want it to be right. I think I overcut. Oh, I overcut short here, the side. Okay naman daw. I look always cute when I have bangs. I love my own, my native land. I love my own, my native land. My husband, oy. I love you, babe.
Love you so much you'll kiss your own hand. I get it.
My native land. Yan, my native land, not my own hand.
Oh, coffee's frozen.
Seriously. Look, he always, every time he get home, guys, he's always complaining. You know what he's complaining first? He do like this. Water is low. And then once he open this one here, oh, coffee is getting deeper. It's getting farther and farther. Seriously, honey. Look, this is what he does, guys. It's crazy. He is crazy. You wanna put the old one to the front?
Right. So you use first.
What's the difference?
'Cause
Then we have to take the one in the back.
you use the older ones first. So
Then we should take the back all the time. Han, you know what people said because we don't have kids? They said that we are not family. Why is that true?
no, it's not true.
It's not true?
No.
You only called family if you have kids. Is that what people said?
Oh, I mean that's a technicality, but
We're family, right?
yeah.
Even just the two of us and we have 4 hairy pets.
kids.
Hairy kids.
Hairy kids.
Yeah. You should take that out. You don't. No one will drink that. What is that really? Green tea.
Green tea.
Who drink green tea? People.
Green tea is good. You used to have it in a bin.
There, we still have green tea over there.
Oh, this is green tea. So let's put it in there.
Okay. Oh, this green tea is bad. This is expired. This is 10 years old ago. Preheated na yung oven. Hindi pa kakapreheat ko lang. 375. And ilagay natin ito. Ito yun siya. Ilagay natin dito. I-transfer man daw. So, dapat i-open pati yung gravy. Ito siya. Natulog si Mister. Pinarelax ko lang kasi, diba, nagtatrabaho yan to buong 2 linggo. Isang araw lang yung day off niya. Kaya yun. Pinatulog. Itong gulay, madali lang man itong gulay. Pasensya na guys talaga guys kasi komportable kasi guys, grabe. So, i-cover ko lang siya guys for fuel. Ito lang siya 30 to 40, for sure more than 40. Kasi gusto namin talagang parang siyang butter ba. Mabango siya guys. Guys, tapos na po. There you go. Luto na siya, pero itabunan natin siya ulit kasi po, ang bangs natin is mahuhulog dyan. Mahulog talaga. Ano talaga, napadami yung bangs ko guys. Napadami yung cut ko. Ayaw ko pa naman yung madaming bangs. Yung parang maraming buhok. Gusto ko yung parang 10 lang, pero okay na. I think okay na. Problemado talaga ako sa bangs. Pagluto na tayo ng rice, hindi na, mamaya na lang itong gulay kasi po, maaga pa. It's 4:21 ng hapon, and maaga pa siya. So, mamaya na lang. And tapos na rin. Yan, nakagawa na ako ng thumbnail din. So, I'm good. Ano na lang ako dito, mag-i-edit, and then may kausap lang si Mister. Ang daming tumatawag sa kanya ngayon. So, pasensya na guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog habang kumakain kami kasi buong time talaga ako nagipag-usap sa kanya. Buong time na nagkumakain kami. And pagkatapos niyan, pagkatapos kong naghugas, naglinis si Tami, naglinis din sa counter. So yun, kausap ko naman yung papa ko about sa kidney. Kasi guys, update sa papa ko guys. Iwan ko sa doktor guys, uy, nakakaloka kasi yung meron siyang catheter. So yun, and sabi pa ng doktor dapat every month, 'di ba? For 3 months pabalik-balik siya. So ngayon, sabi ng doktor hindi ngayong buwan, dapat December daw. So ngayon, naanuhan kami kung bakit ang doktor hindi inano, parang hindi inano yung ano niya dapat every month. So nakakaloka. So, ano lang ako guys, sabi ko sa papa ko, sige, pabayaan na lang natin. Manghingi sana kami ng second opinion sa ibang doktor para malaman kung kumusta na yung kidney ni papa or okay na ba tanggalin yung catheter kasi wala namang nangyayari sa catheter. Konti lang yung ihi and then umiihi naman si papa regular. So, yun yung update. Ng catheter pa rin siya pero delikado kasi kapag hindi malinis ng maayos, natatakot akong magka-infection. So, yun siya. And, yun, kausap ko sabi ko kay Papa, kung okay, sige, hintayin nyo yung doktor, and then kung ano yung desisyon ng doktor, wag mag-desisyon agad, wag magpadaloy-daloy sa mga desisyon ng mga anuhan, kung anong sabi ng doktor. Pag-isipan muna natin kung anong dapat gawin, kasi parang hindi naman si Papa surgery, kasi sabi pa ni Papa parang wala namang kidney. I mean, meron talagang kidney, bato. So, I'm sure merong bato, pero meron silang iniinom na herbal Yung first, mga ilang buwan kasi ni Papa kidney, last month. May mga umuuba na puti na parang sand na lumalabas sa ihi. And I think, yun yung bato na hihili. So, hopefully yun siya. So, ngayon, sabi pa ni Papa, sobrang clear na daw. Kakaiba siya from last month. Kasi ngayon clear na daw siya, ihi na siya marami, ganon, normal na. So yun, sabi ko kung ano man yung sasabihin ng doktor, so wag agad magpa daloy-daloy ng mga desisyon na opera-opera, ganon. Kasi tignan muna natin kasi, you know. So yun lang yung update guys, problema pa rin sa kidney. You know, yung kidney alam nyo naman, at alam ko yung kidney talaga nakakatakot kasi, ay, you know, anyway, yung buong pamilya ko guys, andun sa living room.
Yeah, like an instant pot roast from Costco. Don't the oven for an hour.
Doon lang ito sa opisina para magamit ko kasi guys, every time na mag-edit ako, madala ko kasi yung glasses kahit saan, and then kung mag-start na ako mag-edit, hinahanap ko, wala, hindi ko makita-kita. So yun yung ganap. Magtapon din ako ng basura guys, kasi puno na pala ito, oh. Puno na pala, kailangan nang itapon. Labas tayo. Let's see kung nadala ba ni Tami yung kasi pumunta si Tami ng Costco. And then sabi ko, nagpabili ako ng PP pads para sa alaga ko. Wala. Yun, dito muna yan. Para sa alaga ko. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung, look, hindi pa pala itulak. Ba't hindi itulak? Ito talagang si Tami. Kaloka talaga. Hindi niya nalak. Ang ginaw guys, grabe. My husband is done talking. Now he's trying to call somebody again.
Yeah, Roger called.
Oh, Roger called? I thought that was Angie. So yun guys. So I guess I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye-bye first, love, before you call somebody.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Look who's with us guys. Always wanna join. Always wanna join us. Look. We're watching this movie. I don't know. It's not a Titanic.
It is Titanic.
It's a Blue Diamond. So this is a different story of Titanic.
Titanic.
Ah. Then forget it. I seen this a lot. I don't know the intro of this movie is like that. That there is a people that looking for the Blue Diamond. Spoiled.